everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'll show you how to find someone on Bigo Live. So, let's get started. Begin by opening your Bigo Live application. Then tap on search icon which is right next to notification icon. Then type in the username or ID or live title of the person that you want to search. Then tap on the profile of the person that you have searched. And this is how you can find someone on Bigo Live app. Thanks for watching Technology Glance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.